Gensmo AI has just been released. And if you're wondering whether it's the best new AI software on the market, you're in the right place. I'm going to break down the 7 crucial things you need to know about this software and why it might just be the game changer you've been looking for. Stick around till the end, because I'll also tell you how you can try it completely free. Yes, free, from the link in the description below. First off, Gensmo AI is all about making your business smarter and more efficient with artificial intelligence. It's designed to help entrepreneurs, marketers, and creators automate tasks, optimize workflows, and streamline communication without the need for a deep technical background. It's no wonder that this tool is generating a lot of buzz right now. What sets Gensmo apart from the rest of the competition is its simplicity combined with powerful features. The software is built for businesses looking to level up, offering a clean interface and a range of AI-driven tools that can handle everything from automated messaging to follow-ups and beyond. What's really impressive is the AI's ability to learn from your usage, adapting over time to give even more accurate insights and recommendations. Another key feature is the seamless integration with popular platforms. Whether you're using it with your CRM, email system, or social media channels, Gensmo makes it easy to connect everything in one place. This eliminates the hassle of switching between multiple tools, letting you manage your operations from a single dashboard. But that's not all. Gensmo offers predictive analytics, meaning it can not only assist with tasks, but also help forecast trends and customer behaviors. This feature is perfect for marketers and business owners who want to stay ahead of the curve and make data-driven decisions that actually move the needle. One of the most important things to know about Gensmo is that it's scalable. Whether you're a small business or a larger enterprise, this software grows with you. It offers flexible pricing plans that cater to different needs and sizes, making it accessible for a wide range of users. Plus, it's designed to be user-friendly, so you don't need to be an expert to take full advantage of its capabilities. Customer support is another area where Gensmo really shines. With 24/7 access to a knowledgeable support team, you're never left in the dark when you need help. Whether it's troubleshooting or guidance on how to use certain features, their support staff is quick and efficient, so you can focus on running your business instead of trying to figure out how to use the software. Now, I know you're probably wondering, how much does this cost? The great news is, you can try Gensmo completely free by clicking the link in the description below. You get full access to all the core features, allowing you to test everything out before committing. This makes it a no-brainer for anyone curious about the software, and it's a great way to determine if Gensmo is the right fit for you and your business. To wrap up, Gensmo AI might just be one of the most promising AI tools to hit the market this year. Its ease of use, powerful features, and flexibility make it a great choice for businesses of all sizes. If you're looking to automate, optimize, and grow your business with AI, it's definitely worth checking out. Don't forget to try it for free from the link below. And as always, I've got more AI software recommendations in the description that you can try after testing out Gensmo. I've tried thousands of AI tools, and these are the ones I stand behind. Make sure you check them out. Your future self will thank you.